Так, смотри, окей. У нас есть Анна, и вот такая вот классная звезда как будто. Yeah. Супер. И у нас получилось, so we have kind of half star, superstar, and this one.
Okay.
Down, B, circle, and this one. Обычно пишу вот так, and that's it. Допустим, Борис, да? Оп. Борис. Can you see? It's kind of half-cursive. I write it, take a look. And like this. Just a nice curve. B.
Like a note.
Right? Yes, yeah, like a note. Большой.
Okay, muy bien.
Like this one. Большой. Can you read
большой. Большой, да.
I think it's pretty easy. So, slash and 3. So it's kind of slash plus 3. And that's it.
Вот, конечно.
Yeah. So that's, yeah. So it's really, so pay attention to the connections and try to write letters a little bit far from each other, because I also can write it, in Russian way. And I even can read it.
That's good.
Actually, what I do there, it's a little bit of criminal, because here is the letter N, this one, and here is the letter P. And sometimes, even me is getting, I don't know, I can't understand what I'm writing sometimes, what I'm written. Yeah, so, but I try to make it neat. So, but still I write well like this, just like it. Cursive looks like this: stick and then a butterfly. Woo,
yes,
and back. Yes, and the small one is like, and again, woo, butterfly. Oopsie, I think it's not. But come on, really, some people write it this way, but this is the first time I saw it. Tanya, now you're big. Okay, still. Let's write it 18 plus. This is letter F. And it's like one curve, two curves. See?
Okay. Oh. So which is, this is the half cursive?
Yeah, so no, half cursive, you just write the number 4. That's it.
Number 4?
Yes, I write it this way. 4. Take a look. See? Number 4. Yeah. So half cursive is again like this plus stick. That's it.
That's it.
Stick. Yeah, like you write in English ra, but mirrored. It'll be cool, you can say to people, I can draw mirrored letters, easily.
Yes.